Welcome back to my channel. I'm bringing you another makeup free fae. So I am meal prepping today and I thought I would show you how I kind of plan. Now, usually if I'm doing it every week, I'll just quickly make my usual stuff, but I decided to kind of make some different things. This is a really rough plan. Excuse my handwriting, but I've just listed my proteins here. It's a bit different when you have a very kind of vegetarian vegan diet because there's not just like meat on there, so I do have to plan a bit. Of course, I do eat eggs and salmon, so I'm mainly pescatarian. And then these are some meals that I'm going to be making. Some tofu and veg with some brown rice and avocado, salmon, couscous and veg, and these two are actually from my plan. Yeah, here is my little Reshma Fitness, but I thought I'd just make them from here because they are really delicious and all the macros are listed, although I'm not tracking. So here it is. This is a tofu, brown rice and avocado. If you can see, it shows you the protein, fats, carbs and the total calories, which is amazing. I'm going to be improvising a bit because, to be honest, I didn't do a food shot based on what I was making, which is not a good idea. So I'm going to make this salmon is already cooked, mine is not, so I will have to cook it first. And I'm just going to put it together with, instead of quinoa, I don't have any quinoa, so I'm just going to use couscous. The link is in my bio if you actually want customized meal plans. They're really good value for money and I do 7-day plans. So yeah, shameless plug, but you know, your breakfast is there, your snack, your daily calories and macro. So this is my little potato gnocchi that I will be cooking, and I've got this free from green pesto which I'll also be putting together. We've got some green lentils. These are the ones in water, which are just kind of already cooked. And I'll be using this spicy kind of piri grains. A little bit of tofu, which is already pressed, so you don't need to do anything. And it's just some vegetables as well. I'll be using some lemon and coriander couscous. Again, super easy because it's already kind of, you just need to add hot water to it. Some salmon there, and then that is the main ingredient. So this is the tofu thing that I made from my app. It looks really nice and the tofu is really crispy. It doesn't look like there's much, but only because these boxes are really big. I should have used the smaller ones I have. But I'm also going to actually have half an avocado. This is really ripe. I'm going to have half of this, so half in this portion and half in this. Obviously not going to cut it now because it will go black. So yeah, that is from my app. I will put in the macros and the calories for this. I'm not going to do that for all the meals because I'm not tracking and I'm not sure. But this one's obviously from my app, so yeah. Okay, so I've just got some lentils. These are just green lentils, mushrooms that were frozen, and some pesto. So I've just got that cooking. It's just on a simmer really, so you don't really need to, I'm going to turn it off. But my gnocchi is done, so I'm going to mix this through the gnocchi. And yeah, it seems quite nice actually. I love pesto, and it's just a Tesco free from one. They do loads of different types, but a lot of the ones in the supermarkets are like normal pesto, so they do have like mozzarella in there and dairy and stuff. And although I do eat yogurt, I'm trying not to eat like too much cheese. So yeah, this is like milk, gluten, wheat free, and it is really nice. I think it's just made out of cashews. I should really try and make my own one day. Yeah, it's made out of tofu, cashew nut. So yeah, and there you have it. These are my meal preps. So I put these in smaller boxes because I had a lot more volume of the gnocchi. But yeah, so 2 of them will be for dinner. Sorry, 4 of them will be for my dinners this week. I don't prep for Friday because food tends to not go off, but you know, it's nice when it's a little bit fresh. So Friday I'll just have something really quick and simple. But yeah, I might have these 4 for dinners, and I'll alternate them. So again, we've got salmon here. That is some lemon and coriander couscous and some tender stem broccoli. Same there. And then we've got some green lentil mushroom pesto gnocchi. I actually did nibble on that one there, as you can see, because I don't really eat gnocchi very much, and it was actually really good. It's a shame I can't eat this now. And then these are just some, this is the multi-grain. You can use rice or any other grains or carbs. And then I've just got some tofu in there, which is nice and crispy, and there's some asparagus. It doesn't look like much, but I think the rest of it is underneath. And I do eat about 4 or 5 meals a day, so I am eating throughout. I don't really eat just 3 meals. So yeah, those are my meal preps. It only took me about an hour, and that was whilst trying to film as well. So that is good going. It used to take me about 2 hours to meal prep years ago, and now, you know, vegetarian kind of food is quite easy. You can always pop salmon in the oven with a lot of like roasted vegetables, and there you have it. You already have some meals ready. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this meal prep. Sorry, I look a little bit hot and bothered because I have been cooking for an hour. But anyway, yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. That's just how I meal prep. I do kind of different things all the time. Sometimes I might make like a spaghetti bolognese, and then sometimes I might make other things, experiment. Pasta is always a go-to, but today I decided to try gnocchi. I'm really looking forward to eating them this week. I've got a busy week this week, so at least I don't have to worry about cooking and prepping and stuff. So there's 6 meals there in an hour. So yeah, not bad going.